Alright guys, so we're here doing the Falcons Rebuild. Um y'all can probably tell the last couple that I didn't sound really interested, but I am back. I am still feeling like that way. I'm just super tired right now, so I think I'm gonna take a break after this, get some lunch, and then I think y'all are gonna get right back. The team. So let's talk about the team right now. So they went 8-9. Biggest thing, quarterback. I feel like that's a normal thing that we need. We need a tight end and right tackle. Defense on the defensive side, I think really good corner. I think we have really good corner, really good defense. So I don't think I really want to touch a defense. I firmly believe if you have a really good offense, it doesn't matter what your defense does. But one thing I am going to change is I don't know why, but it says Kyle Pitts is not on the team anymore. So, and we really do need Kyle Pitts. So I'm offering him a bag to come back and come play with us. Hopefully that gets him. Dude, he wants us off for like a crazy time. Honestly, Zach Ertz is fully okay with that. So I'm gonna withdraw my offer from him. What we're gonna go do is go pick up a right tackle. Our right tackle sucks. And we're gonna pick him up. And then I don't really want to touch our defense. Honestly, like I don't see anything what we can do with this team. Um, One thing I do need to do is it's gonna be kind of crazy, kind of unrealistic. Um, we need a quarterback. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go trade for one. Oh, we don't even have a first round draft pick. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work. Joe Burrow. Yeah, we're gonna need another QB. I did not know we didn't have a first round draft pick. Let's see if I can go get Jaden Daniels. Okay. That should be enough. Alright, perfect. Alright, so got a quarterback. Third team. I think our wide receivers I'm not going to touch. I think our wide receivers are pretty good. Like I said, I think our defense is pretty good. I really don't want to touch our defense. Cornerback could be kind of good. Corner would be kind of perfect for this team. So we're gonna go very low risk, 1 year deal. I don't think I really see anything really else what we can do. So, like I keep saying, we don't have a first round draft pick, but honestly, this time it's not my fault. So, no one can really blame me. So technically, it's your fault. technically. Okay, let's go mid-season. Hoping that we win this. If we don't, I'm going to go pew 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 pew. Better win this. All the teams just terrified. They're like, please don't hurt us. Please don't hurt me. Yeah, we probably did terrible, to be honest. Alright, now. Our team sucks. 4-2, dude. If I bring us to the playoffs, I'm literally the best team in the world. Just saying. Just saying. If I bring us to the playoffs, I'm literally the best team in the best coach in the world. And we please tell me we made playoffs. Dude, we made playoffs. We went 11-16, 11-6. Dude, that's crazy. Dude, we went 11-6, so we got a big dub. So let's see what we can do here. Dude, honestly, I'm super surprised that we made the playoffs. I'm super surprised we made the playoffs. And of course we lose. But that's a big dub. I want to say thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out, guys.